Hello everyone, so let's go through Mematic app. So here's the app on iPhone to create memes. So it's one of the most popular, most reviewed apps. So you can create memes on the go basically. It's a free app. So you can select first like freestyle and then just go in the process, or you can select like some standard like memes, and then you can select like background, for example, and there you have it. You can select canvas, original, you can select layout, so you can select color again, captions, and then you can export that. Okay, yeah, to remove watermark, it's $29.99 per year. Okay, let's try out like freestyle, and then you have all these memes, like already memes. You can search it. Just for an example, so yeah, something like that, and then you can just edit it. You can edit it. Yeah, like whatever. Like if you like memes, you will figure out the stuff. And then you can add emojis. Uh, you can add background. Again, to remove watermark, you will need to subscribe. And that's about that. So quick way to create memes like in the app. So it can be pretty like handy in case you are using memes like in your Twitter, Instagram, or somewhere else. Just share with friends. So it's a cool app to just quickly create memes. Hope that helps.